Good morning, Year 1. It's so lovely to see you. I'm going to do a very quick little maths activity with you with Pirate Bear, who's really wanting to do some maths today, aren't you, Pirate Bear? About fact families. So really, if you can, if your parent or carer allows you to watch the lesson 2 on White Rose Maths, then you'll get all the teaching bit. If you're not so keen to do the worksheet, this is just a little fun thing you can do instead. So Pirate Bear's here to help me. You could maybe choose a special toy to come and help you as well, because it's always fun to have someone with you. So I've got Pirate Bear. Now, I'm just going to quickly remind you that a fact family, in our maths, our fact families are where we're going to create facts using the same numbers. That's what we're going to do. That's what a fact family is. And we're going to link addition and subtraction facts, which is really exciting, isn't it? Now, I've got my part, whole model that we use at school, whole, part, but you don't need that. You could have a piece of paper split with your part, whole, or you could make a little draw part, whole model, which we often do at school as well. So don't worry about it. You know, this is just what we use, isn't it, at school? I've also got numbers all the way to 20 that Pirate Bear and I've already written. So there's our number 6. I've got there's a number 4, and it goes all the way to 20, so that each time you want to create different facts, you choose different numbers. So the first one we're going to do today, Pirate Bear and I are going to choose numbers. So Pirate Bear, what should we choose? Here's one. What have we got, Pirate Bear? Well done. We have got number 12, and number 12 is going to be our whole number. Now, we find in Year 1, don't we, children, that it's easier to really have some objects to help us with our counting. So I've got some little people. You could use anything you want. You could use little stones, sticks, counters if you've got them, whatever you want. I'm going to pretend they're pirates. Is that okay, Pirate Bear? So I'm going to count 12 of my little people in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have got in my whole 12. Now this is the exciting bit, because now I can split my whole number into 2 parts, and I can do it any way I want as long as I'm using up the whole. So shall we try, Pirate Bear? In my 1 part, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in my next part, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've got 1 part that's got 4, 1 that's got 8. And so my part, whole model, if I was just using numbers, would look like this. My whole is 12. I've got a part of 8 and part 4. So 12, 8, 4. That's my whole number. That's a part and another part. Right, so, okay, now we have to think what we're going to do. We're needing now to create some facts about our 3 numbers. So I think the first fact is maybe looking at our 2 parts and wondering what we could do with them. What do you think, Pirate Bear? Good idea. Pirate Bear said, could we maybe add them together? That's a good idea. Should we see if that works? So I'm going to write a number sentence down. 8 add 4 equals, and it should equal our whole. So let me write that down for you. So 8 add 4 equals 12. That's our first addition number sentence. So we know our whole is 12. So we know that our 2 parts are going to make that whole. Excellent. Now this is the exciting bit. This bit's very exciting. We know then that 8 add 4 equals 12. So we've got 8 on that side and 4. And if you count them together, have a little count now, you'll see they equal 12. Sorry, I'm just going to move this a little bit down to make sure it's clear. That's to go with our 4. And then if we turn it round, that's really exciting. We've got 4, add 8, and they still equal 12. So even though we've swapped the numbers, it's still the same. Have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it does. So when you look at your part whole model, you can do the same. 4 add 8 equals 12. And if you try, you can do that with your objects. You can make sure 4 add 8 equals 12. So I'm going to write that down. 4 add 8 equals 12. So I have now got 2 addition number sentences. So I think I could still make some more facts with these 3 numbers, but I'm just having to try and have a little think. What do you think, Pirate Bear? Yes, subtraction. Why don't we try that? Now, this is always tricky, trying to think, which number shall I use to start? But actually, it has to be the biggest number. So really, it's always our whole number. We have to start subtraction with our biggest number. So in this case, it is 12. Now we're going to take away a part, just one part. So we're going to take away 4. 12, take away 4. And let's see what we get, all right? So 12, take away 4 equals, well, let's try it here. I'm going to take away the 4. How many have I got left? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have got 8 left. 8. So 12 take away 4 equals 8. We've got that. 12 take away 4 equals 8. So let's try the next one. It's going to be, you're right, starting with a whole number. 12 take away 8 equals 12. Take away 8 equals, well, let's take away our 8. We know we've got our 8 on this side, so we're going to just take those away. And look, we've got our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 take away 8 equals 4. We have done 4 fantastic number sentences using our facts from 12, 8 and 4. Now you can split 12 in another way and see what number sentences you come up with, and you can keep going through all of the numbers and try and write your number sentences, your 2 addition and your 2 subtraction. Just always remember, really important, that a part and a part, that makes the whole, that's your addition, and your subtraction number sentence always starts with the whole. All right, have good fun. Or what did you wanted to say, Pirate Bear? Sorry. You love that today and you want to keep going. Oh my goodness, children, I better run. Say bye to the children. Bye. See you soon. Bye-bye.